Hi all, this is Afsal, and in this video I am going to explain in Azure DevOps when you don't have a right permission to create the shared query and you are not allowed to delete any work item. So let's jump to the Azure DevOps and I'll show you how to do that. So let's go for the shared query first. I have a folder already. So when I click this new query and try to save this, you will get the error message as you do not have right permission for the query shared query. I'll show you how to fix this. Another one is, let's go to the backlog and you click here and see this. As I have all the permission, that's the reason this is coming. When this delete won't come to you, how to fix it, I'll show you. This is the problem statement, two problem statement or two security restriction to your account. Then how to fix this. So to fix this, let's first go here. Only the organization user can fix this. Go to the organization settings and click on users, and which user you want to give the access. Click on this radio button, click on this three dot, click on the manage change access level. Instead of stakeholder access, change it to the basic and just save it. That's it. After this user will able to create shared query and this user will have the delete option. That's it. Thank you very much.